In today's short and simple video tutorial, we would like to show how you can easily check the data usage on your Doogee V20 smartphone. So first of all, open up the settings. In here, go for the mobile network category. And from here, choose what network, or should I say what SIM card you would like to check the data usage of. So let's check the first one. As you can see, there is a very detailed breakdown on how much network have I used. In my case, it's 0, but if you use your SIM card for long enough, it will have the detailed list of how much data is used in general and what data used for what, and etc. And pretty much the same goes for the second SIM card as well, as you can see right here. Alright, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.